So to log into Zoom Room, you just have to click on virtual service point in the Zoom Room. Then you will be in the waiting list of the participant where student contact or student advisors will let you in the Zoom Room. Hi, this is the Zoom Room, and here you can ask us student contacts about the questions. You can find here chat option where you can share the questions with us privately as well as with everyone. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we are here from 13 to 15 in the afternoon. Thank you.